What is up, guys, and thanks you for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT here, back again with another one. Today's video, we're gonna try something that I've been meaning to do to the Challenger, and I honestly want to get black rims on the Challenger, and I'm currently shopping around. I'm looking around for a good deal on some black rims, either the 5-spoke Hellcat rims. I really like the way those look, or something else, maybe aftermarket. But until then, I decided today to go ahead and give it a shot to try to change my rims to black temporarily until I find that perfect set of rims that I want, because I'm looking for something that's 10.5 in the back, because I want to be able to fit a 305 or 315 tire, and unfortunately a lot of the rims I'm finding are 9.5, so it's going to be a little tougher to fit a wider tire on there. So I'm gonna give it a shot today. We're gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna Plasti Dip them, hit them with Glossifier, and see the look. Maybe rock it for a couple days until I find something that I like. I'm in talks with a Hellcat owner right now about a pair of rims that he has that I really like, and I might just pull the trigger over the next couple days. But until he gets his new set, I can't pick him up just yet. So in the time being, why not make my rims black, see how it looks on the car. A lot of you, ever since I got the car, have been asking me to get black rims and or switch out the rims to something that's black. So hopefully you guys like this video. Let's get right to it. Alrighty guys, to get started, we're gonna go ahead and take the wheel off. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, got my first wheel off and immediately realized how big this wheel really is. I mean, like, once you have it over on its side, this thing is no joke. That's a big face. That's my hand in comparison there. So it's a big face, big wheel, 20 inches. So next I'm gonna go ahead and wash it down and kind of detail it, get it ready for its first coat. There's like some sticker I gotta remove right here. I wanna clean the inside of it as well, and then get it prepped. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and used my brush right here, which is a very soft bristled brush. I went ahead and scrubbed all over the wheel, all the crevices and everything like that. And I also applied some no scrub wheel cleaner here. So this is something that I use on all the wheels to help get all that brake dust off. So I use this, and now the wheels, well, it looks very clean to me. So now we can go ahead, so just make sure that you brush kind of all the crevices, all the little bends and stuff like that. And that's the one thing I hate about these wheels, is how much spokes there are. Makes my life a living hell when I want to detail the car here. So just make sure that you clean it all very nicely. Now I can go ahead and apply some water and wash all that wheel cleaner off. So we're ready to start spraying here. I coated the wheel with some tire shine and a little bit of spray so that the Plasti Dip doesn't adhere to this. So now we're good to go to start Plasti Dipping. Okay guys, so we just did the first coat, and it's important that your first coat, you don't need to get everything off on the very first try. So just make sure you get like an even coat, but you don't need to try and get every last bit of the wheel coated the first time around. We're gonna do a total of 4 coats, so just take your time with it. Make sure that you get even coverage, and that you don't kind of mess up on a certain area or anything like that. So I did pretty good for my first try, but obviously I see some areas that need a little more, so we're gonna go back and hit those again. Okay guys, coat number 4 is officially completed. Looks really good. super you know, got all the areas. Looks black. What more can I say? Do have like a small blemish right there, but I believe I can take that out. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some Glossifier, see how it looks. The nice thing about it is if I don't like the way it looks, I could just peel it off and be done with it. Alrighty guys, getting a little darker, but I put like 2 coats of Glossifier on there right now, and we're starting to see a little bit of a shine to them, so that's good. I'm going to do 1 more coat of Glossifier just to lock in that glossy look, because I really like that look, especially with the Destroyer Gray. I think it's going to look really good. Okay, so now we are done with our Glossifier. Looks pretty good. So I'm painting the center cap right over here. Just hitting it with a few coats and then some Glossifier, throw it on there, and that'll be the back wheel all done. I'm going to repeat the process to the front wheel, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks at the very end. Alrighty guys, it's the next day. Couldn't wrap things up last night, but nonetheless got up a little earlier and we're working on the front right now, so that's why it's off. And just check out how big this caliper is. I mean, this thing's massive. Alright guys, the wheel is now back on the car, and oh my god, it looks so good with that big red Brembo caliper. Definitely pops off a lot more. I haven't put the centerpiece back in just yet, but man, just looking at it down the side here, much more aggressive. So we're gonna go ahead and lower it and see how it looks once it's fully on the ground. Oh yeah, oh my god, that tight thing's in so much better now with the black, with the satin on the hood. She just looks so much nicer. So let's go ahead and pop that centerpiece back in, and then we can take her outside, give you guys a clear look at how she's looking. There's the centerpiece. This is the last piece of the puzzle, so I gotta put this on real quick. Just like that, we are all done. Alrighty boys and girls, car is officially out of the garage, and looking damn good, I must say so myself. So as you can see here, this side we have the black, and then if we turn to this side, we still have the brass or whatever. I don't know what they call these, to be honest. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. What do you think? Do these look good, or do these look good? I want to go ahead and listen to your guys' opinion and select whatever you guys choose. So I need your help on this one. Also, I am going to be dropping the car. I finally figured out that I will just go ahead and drop it a little bit, just because the way I look at it right now, it just looks way too high. So let me know in the comments below which ones you like better, the black wheels, or if we come around here, the stock ones or stock color.